Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add audio on a video using TikTok. Since some people be having the issue of not knowing how to add audio to a video using on TikTok, especially when they want to post it. So in today's video I'm going to show you how all that is done, and the steps are quite actually simple. Let's just start by opening TikTok. And now that TikTok is open, you can see that we on the home page, so make sure you are on the home page. Although it doesn't matter how, you can still add audio on your video on every page or section you are on. So to add audio on your video using TikTok, simply come and then click on this addition button. And then now as you can see we have the option to select the video or picture. So let's try video for us. After doing so, you can see that we have been given the option to edit it, and also audio it on your story, so simply come and then click on the add audio icon. And now as you can see we have all this music to select from, so from now on you can select any music you would like to add on your video. So now as you can see it has been added, so from now on you can post your video or save it. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.